Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to split data to multiple rows. So we can see we have some data and it's long data. Once you print, so it will not appear completely. So to add this data to multiple rows, so just guys you have to firstly expand. Now select this some rows, multiple rows. Now in this field click on justify. Now click anyway. So we can see this all data are appear in multiple rows. Now you try to print. Now try to print so it will appear. So thanks for watching. This is the way you can add and you can split data to multiple rows.